Hey everyone, it's Walkie here from Motorola UK, and today I'm going to take you through the brand new ThinkPhone 25 by Motorola. The box is really premium with our famous Think logo on the front. Let's see what's inside. The phone is right on top, looking sleek. There it is, the Motorola ThinkPhone 25 5G in Emerald fiber, with the case that comes in the box. On the front, we have a 6.36-inch Super HD OLED display, which is Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for durability. There's a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom on the back. The design has reliability in mind, with underwater protection at IP68, ultra-strong emerald fiber in the finish, and the military standard durability. Internally, it was designed with business class performance in mind. Now let's see what we have here. We have our usual documentation, including a quick start guide, a warranty card, and of course our SIM tray ejector tool to help you get switched over and started. We also have the USB cable, which can be used with a 68-watt turbocharger that incredibly comes in box to fill up its long-lasting 4,310 mAh battery, getting you from empty to 50% in just 11 minutes. The setup process is quick, and the ThinkPhone 25 is already up and running. So there you have it, the ThinkPhone 25 unboxed and ready for action. Stay tuned as we take you through the features. So thank you for watching. Please leave us a comment. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Hello, Moto.